so we are on the Marina Barrage, the bridge. Okay, so we are at Marina Barrage. You can see all those kites up there. And that's the open sea. I'll be going up using that ramp all the way up here. Okay, so we are now on top of the Marina Barrage. Enjoy the view. It's time to leave this place and head to MBS. Okay, so before we leave, I'll just show you where I came from earlier. It's from over there. I cycle all the way along the coast and then on this bridge. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is the Art Science Museum. The Esplanade, the Fullerton Hotel. I think they're having a concert there. Okay, so this is the waterfront and we have come to the end of the trip for today. So I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.